Railway enables seamless custom domain attachment to your deployed apps with automatic SSL. For hosting of domains, update DNS records to point traffic to Railway. Propagation takes 1 to 48 hours. Requires a Railway service and hosting a login. Steps: deploy on Railway. Log in to Railway app via GitHub. Select project. Deploy app. Note the default domain. Add domain in Railway. Go to Service, Settings, Domains. Add domain. Enter route and www.boatrentals.com. Add. Railway generates kname www.abc123 up railway.app. A record 7676 21.21 or check dashboard for updates. Update DNS in Hostinger. Log in to Hostinger. Domains. Manage next to your domain. DNS or name servers. Manage DNS records. Delete conflicting records like defaults. Add a record. Type A. Name. Content. 76.76. 2121 TTL 4400. 4 hours. T-name. Record. Type. Keyname. Name www. Content abc123.up railway app. TTL 4400. Save. Verify. In Railway. Monitor status. Green check. Test browser. SSL activates automatically.